birthday. Stay pretty. Love you.
Happy birthday.
Yan, happy birthday. Sana, kailan ba tayo lalabas? Sabado? Wow, leave ako. Kami mo naman, pagbalik ko na lang. I'll be back by October 16. Kasama niyo ako sa inom, ha?
Happy birthday, Gian!
Happy birthday! All your wishes come true, and I know that sabay-sabay tayong nag-graduate ng OT. 2015, I knew that. I love you.
Hi Gian, happy birthday. Messages. Hi Gian, good morning. Happy birthday. Happy birthday pala. Oh, saan tayo? Text mo ako kung may handaan na. I wish you all the best and sana matapos mo yung OT. That's all.
Magkabalikan na kayo sa mission.
That's my shoes. It's me. You know me. Birthday, very happy. Ano tawag niyo yun?
Sa hospital.
Tawag niyo sa hospital. Makikita niyo po yung mga tao. Dumadaan po sila. Nagpapa-check up si best friend mo. Birthday! Sana makalasin mo kami.
Happy birthday. Sabi ni Joey, sana pumiti ka na.
Bangon na.
Happy birthday, bitch. At aminin mo na, pangit ka ng bata.
So excited, nasa hospital kami.
At ang init ka, nakakarantag ka ng sunog.
I-discover pa namin kung paano paputiin ang sunog na bibingka. Bye-bye!
Hi, Gian. Happy birthday.
Hello!
Bye-bye. Hey G! Happy birthday! I hope that you enjoy your day and don't ever let anyone make you feel like you're beautiful. No matter what they say, words can't bring you down. It won't bring you down today. What? That's awesome. Ayan na, kumanta ako para sa'yo. Love you, G! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hi, Gian! Happy birthday!
Belated happy birthday kay Gian. Yung jersey mo, iabot ko na lang pag nag-intro now. Kaya hindi ko nakalimutan mo. Happy birthday, God bless. Galingan mo sa school.
Happy birthday for yesterday. This is an impromptu thing, so I don't really know what to say. But I hope you had a good day, and I hope you have fun with your friends or friend that have a good one, and I don't know what else to say.
Happy birthday, Gian. Wala mas. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gian. Sana pumuti ka na. Sana tumangkad ka pa kahit kay Just lang. Ayun, happy birthday. Love you, love you, love you.